The Earth, our only home. For billions of years, Earth has provided us with air to breathe, water to drink, and a place to call home. But as our world changes, so does the responsibility we carry. The future of Earth is not written yet. It depends on how we choose to protect and preserve it today. Environmental science is the study of the environment and how living and non-living things interact with each other. It combines different fields such as biology, chemistry, geology, and ecology to help us understand the natural world. Environmental science helps us understand these connections and how human activities affect the environment. By studying pollution, climate change, biodiversity, and natural resources, we can find ways to protect our planet and create a more sustainable future. One of the main goals of environmental science is to learn how the natural world works. Scientists study ecosystems, climate, plants, animals, water cycles, and natural processes to understand how nature functions and stays balanced. Another important goal is to understand how humans interact with and affect the environment. Human activities such as pollution, deforestation, overpopulation, and burning fossil fuels can damage ecosystems and contribute to climate change. Environmental science helps us recognize these impacts and understand the consequences of our own actions. The third goal of environmental science is to find ways to solve environmental problems and live sustainably. Sustainability means using resources wisely so that future generations can also meet their needs. Some solutions include recycling, conserving energy, reducing pollution, protecting wildlife, and using renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Culture is a whole of a society's knowledge, beliefs, technology, and practices. Different cultures influence how humans interact with nature. Some societies focus on conservation and sustainable living, while others consume large amounts of resources. In Malaysia, traditional communities such as the Orang Asli often live closely with nature by using natural resources carefully. However, modern lifestyles today involve higher energy use, plastic waste, and greater consumption. Cultural change increased human impact on the environment over time. During the agricultural revolution, forests were cleared for farming and plantations such as rubber and palm oil. During the Industrial Revolution, factories, vehicles, and urban development increased air and water pollution. Today, the information and globalization revolution connects Malaysia to the global economy through technology and trade, but it also increases electronic waste, energy consumption, and resource demand. An ecological footprint measures how much resources people use compared to what Earth can replace. For example, high electricity use, heavy traffic, and excessive plastic consumption all increase ecological footprint and contribute to environmental problems. Today, our planet faces 5 major environmental problems, which are biodiversity depletion, food supply problems, waste production, water pollution, and air pollution. These issues are mainly caused by rapid population growth, unsustainable use of natural resources, poverty, ignoring environmental costs and market prices, and people becoming increasingly disconnected from nature. Sustainability is the capacity of Earth's natural systems and human cultural systems to survive, flourish, and adapt to changing environmental conditions in the long-term future. Resources are divided into renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources such as sunlight and forests can replenish naturally, while non-renewable resources like coal and petroleum are limited. Sustainability is guided by 3 scientific principles, which are reliance on solar energy, biodiversity, and chemical cyclings, which helps maintain balance and support life on Earth. An important component of sustainability is natural capital, which includes natural resources and ecosystem services that support life and human activities. The choices we make today will shape tomorrow's world. An environmentally sustainable society protects Earth's resources while meeting human needs and supporting all living species.